My friends, what's up? Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video we have a look of BitTorrent crypto. What's the price is going at BitTorrent? What's the high price of BitTorrent, and what's the currently condition of BitTorrent in the cryptocurrency markets? In this video I will show you the live price prediction of BitTorrent. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest and urgent news videos. Don't forget to subscribe. As you can see here, friends, the last 7-day price prediction of the BitTorrent coin. As you can see here, absolutely, if you look, the currently chains are in the 9th April, so they are in the 9th April falling down. As you can see here, they are now currently they are in the fast mood. Sorry, now currently if we look the chart analysis, where as you can see here, now at this time I think they are ready for a jump. As you can see here, they are in the jumping mode at this time, friends. So anyways, if we look the change occur in the BitTorrent in the last 7 days, last 1 week, 21.47% change occur in the BitTorrent in the last 1 week, and the high price is about $0.013385 is the high price. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction. What's the change goes and the last 1 day and a BitTorrent coin. Oh my goodness, as I told you in the start of this video, that today they fast down, but as you can see here, as I told you in the start of this video, that now currently at this time they start again an explosion, they again start jumping upward. The average change occur in BitTorrent in the last 1 day as negative 5.84%, and the high price is about $0.009902 is the high price of BitTorrent in the last 1 day, friends. The last 1 day result as negative, but as you can see here, they start jumping. The last 1 hour price prediction, the current condition of the BitTorrent in the cryptocurrencies market is absolutely good. As you can see here, they are flying, they goes to moonshot. As you can see here, absolutely good chance occur in the BitTorrent. They are goes very high. I'm very pleased to see this kind of change in the cryptocurrencies market. As you can see here, the change in the last 1 hour is positive 2.34%, and the high price of BitTorrent is $0.009247 is the high price of BitTorrent in the last 1 hour, friends. So friends, according to the last 1 hour price prediction, it's still us that the explosion time of BitTorrent are coming soon. So please, if you are a holder of BitTorrent, so please hold your coin with the last of this month. I'm also holder, and my plan is that I'm going to sell my BitTorrent coin with the last of this month, 27-28 April. What's your opinion about BitTorrent? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.